Hey everybody, it's Tran over here. Welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna have a sit-down chat about my dealings with cryptocurrency, or just Bitcoin in general. Let's just call it Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you my dealings in it. I'm gonna tell you my triumphs, my gains, and I'm gonna tell you ultimately, why I decided to quit on investing in cryptocurrency for now. So let's just dive into it. So before ever dealing with cryptocurrency, I was a stocks guy. I was day trading, I was swing trading, I was investing heavily in stocks. Basically, straight from college. All the money I had from my part-time job, I would just save it all and invest it, and I was doing well. So one day, my friend comes to me, and he suggests. He knew about my dealings with stocks, so one day he comes in and puts the point across that crypto, it's outbeating the stock market, exponentially. And I was very impressed, but at the same time, at first, I was very skeptical, and I scoffed at the idea of this, this virtual money. Like most stocks guys, they're all very reluctant and very hesitant on crypto, even up till now. Even though it's booming and everyone has changed their tune, even till now you'll find the naysayers. But so yeah, basically at first I was very doubtful. So at first I just laid off. I was like, you know what, I'm good with stocks now. And then I noticed as time went by, crypto just kept on dramatically outperforming stocks. When I would make my day trades or my swing trades, I could expect about, on a good trade, I could expect about 25% return, right? But, what my friend was pulling in trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, just far surpassed that. We had both started with a relatively same amount of money, same amount of funds investing. And he had greatly surpassed my funds in a short amount of time, and he had done the same for the group of my friends. He had suggested to them to invest, and they did earlier than me, so they did reap lots of gains. So eventually I changed my tune. I came around to cryptocurrency. I started investing I think the ratio was about, at first I started 75% stocks, 25% into the whole cryptocurrency market. And I think pretty early on, the crypto, just as predicted, started greatly outperforming my stocks portfolio. I was very impressed. So, little by little, I started transferring my funds over, all my stock funds into cryptocurrency funds, and increasing my positions larger and larger, and the gains were incredible. The gains were, I don't want to delve into figure amounts. I don't want to single out crypto coins in general, like by name. I'm just gonna keep it vague. But yeah, it was significantly outperforming stocks, so I started funneling all my stock funds into the crypto, and it was just a lovely decision. So that goes on for a bit. My portfolio is just incredibly profitable. And one thing I want to point out about some of these coins is that they'll launch to the moon, but they're not pump and dump schemes. I don't know if you're aware of this. In stocks, you have these fraudulent stocks that they pump to the moon, but then they dumped right back down. But some of these crypto coins, there's real promise, and there's a real product behind it, and there's real anticipation and momentum. So when they skyrocket, their downturn is very minimal, very minimal. It was just so impressive. It was something that I was not accustomed to, having dealt with stocks before. Now I'm gonna delve into the dark side of cryptocurrency. And the problem with cryptocurrency right now is that the whole dark aspect of the web, the whole sphere of hackers and that aspect of the web, they're all after cryptocurrency, and they're all after because in general, what cryptocurrency is this anonymous safe money, right? This anonymous dirty money that they can use. So they're after it, and they're aggressively hacking all these cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets, and basically it's a very desired commodity, and it's very tough to keep safe on the part of the exchanges where you buy and sell the coins, and on the part of the wallets. So basically what happened was, one day I log onto my account and I'm locked out, and they're asking me for information that I had never requested or submitted, and I was just very worried. It's known that hackers aggressively attack the email addresses of people on certain exchanges, and personally I had not taken all the precautions. I know that, and that's my fault. I had not taken all the precautions. I could have been more careful. I could have set up more authentications here and there. So if there's something to take away from this video, it's that, take all the precautions. So one day I'm locked out of my account, and eventually when I regain access, it takes a long time. It takes weeks to a month to regain access. Eventually when I do, my account is cleared. Well, specifically there's $6, 6 equivalent US dollars of Bitcoin. And I saw all their transactions that sold all my funds and then withdrew them. That was a sobering moment. That was tough. Okay, and just to be clear, I feel like I didn't clear it up before. My account was hovering around a healthy 5 figures. So imagine my shock when it was reduced all the way back down to $6. Let that sink in a bit. The devastation. That was tough. So that's the reality of cryptocurrency. The hackers are aggressively pursuing it because it's safe, dirty money, if that makes sense. It's it's money that they can use, and it's non-traceable, and they can transact in their illicit activities or whatever. So that's the huge downside of cryptocurrency, and that's why, at least for now, I'm swearing it off. I'm not trading in cryptocurrency anymore. In the future, what I might do is I might buy, and I recommend this to you all, to not keep your money on the exchange. If you buy a coin, you should withdraw it and keep it in your secured wallet, either your physical hard drive wallet, or through a third-party application or whatever. I think that's definitely the route to take with these coins and how to invest in them. You buy, withdraw on a wallet, and then let some time pass, and it'll sure as hell be lucrative. All right, that's it for now. I know that's a hard story for me to share, but I'm glad to put my story out there to help you all to be more secure and to prevent this from ever happening again. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.